Alright.
Yeah, 51.
They multiply.
That's it.
Don't look over there. Not good.
No, it's the step flies out. Hold on. Hold on.
No, I didn't. No, that's at the end.
The end.
The fittest is the fittest.
Oh my god.
That was Joe,
Hey, Morgan.
by the way.
Call me my phone. Please answer anything.
Misty. Overhand or underhand? It's Hillary's fault. She.
It's my fault. She.
I said.
At least it didn't land in a soda. That would be funny. Morgan didn't get it.
I hope nobody sees that.
You never make them touch.
Huh? Why?
Who owns the chicken?
Josh, I think you might be a little clear.
What?
I think you might be a little clear.
Smidgen.
You probably did.
Those are really good.
Don't you think so, Dan?
Everybody loves
It's so wrong.
Josh, I think that's a little queer. Like, don't you think so, Dan?
You realize that somebody's right.
I was just hoping you didn't like be like, oh, this makes sense.
It's muffled.
And that's why I eat chicken and everything.
Ryan has experience with that, doesn't he? He did that pretty well.
Whose is that?
No, you eat the chicken.
Really? Like, who owns that? It's King.
Not watch it. Start off slow, work it up.
Go start off fast and then go slow.
Why?
It's a switch.
I got it.
That's what Jake does, and he counts.
Oh, God.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I remember that conversation.
Jake, you know it's true.
Yeah.
I'm not denying it.
Jake. 3.
No.
Kingo was here. Just sitting right here.
I was here. Yeah, I was. Yeah, I was. I was sitting over there, remember?
No, that's a different time.
Oh, different time? But we still talked about it twice then.
Yeah, because we brought it up again.
What was that?
Did that hurt? I know. Did it hurt? No, that wasn't worth it.
I feel bad for the person taking that home.
Can I?
Me too. Me too. You don't want to touch it.
No, that's Kingo's.
You do not want to touch it. Do not touch it.
Oh god.
Do not.
Oh god.
Do not touch it.
Why not?
Because...
Mark, it's always Mark. Don't you dare start that again. If you ever start talking to Chris again. No, I said Austin. That was close. They're both gross. Yeah, they both are. Attached together.
I don't want to touch that. Oh god. Oh god.